Alright, hey guys, I guess it's just modern Casablanca week. Here we have a Casablanca Venus, just standard, and that's alright, it's pretty cool. Obviously you're probably going to be seeing this after I do the fan to my house video. Maybe, I don't know. Anyways, I picked this up off of OfferUp for really cheap. It was a great price. I don't know why Will didn't go for it. What an idiot. It was like really close. Well, not really. It was probably about the same distance because I think he lives, I don't know. He lives probably about this. Yeah, it's probably about the same distance. There's a little mark right there. The guy spoke broken English, so it was kind of hard to understand him. When I got there, he kind of seemed like he knew what I was talking about. And then we got to the, back on the side of the house because he was selling other stuff. I told him, a fan. And I guess he had like dehumidifiers, and asked him if he had the white fan, and he said no. And I guess his wife was like, no, ceiling fan, like spins. And then, under a tarp he had this. So yeah, no uplight, unfortunately. It is W11, but I didn't even bother to check the date. I don't even know what that is, actually. What my plans are is I'm going to put up here on top, I'm going to put some sockets up there and call that a day. I think that'd look really cool, having an uplight. Anyways, down here we have the W11. Let's try demo mode, even though it doesn't have a light. What the Sam hell? Oh, okay. Okay, so we got high speed and some really weird noises. Now we're reversing. Okay, I don't know what's going on with that noise. It's really annoying though. I don't know if it's doing demo mode or what it's doing. I don't think it's doing demo mode. Maybe I have it backwards? Other than the obnoxious pizza, it's fine. So when I turn it on, it goes straight to fan. So we're stuck on like speed 2 or something. What happens if I try to reverse it? Yeah, this thing's shot. Well, I guess you won't see this in the update. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, well, that was an interesting video. Add that to bloopers or something, I guess. I don't know if that's... Yep, that's the tag. I can't read it, though. Alright. So, yeah, I guess we'll try to figure this out. Put a new board in, and we'll try that again.